Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is a new video, but before we proceed with the video, don't fail to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Your support will be much appreciated. It would be for my good, for my personal growth. The reason why I started this channel was so I'm able to interact in front of the camera like this. It seems a little bit funny for me because I have to talk by myself in front of the camera and then have this uploaded for you people. So kindly give your support, subscribe, hit notification bell. Let's get on with the video. Today's video is going to be about the Sensica Sensilight Pro, the RPL device, which is quite similar to an IPL device. So let's get started. Okay, so this is my hair growth. I lasered last week and today we are going to use the RPL device. Not much growth because I remember I used to just rub my hand like this, and the sound that you get when you rub your palm on your face when you have a beard, that is what I would feel earlier. Now it's hardly anything because there's just one or two hairs growing. I remember in school there was this joke where I started growing facial hair at a very young age, and I would use hair removal creams to get rid of it, and the hair would grow even thicker. So the boys in my class would go like, why don't you use the Gillette Mark III razor? Guess what? Gillette has come out with their own women's razor and I'm using it on my face. Joke's on you. So before we start with the RPL device, I'm going to shave my face. I like this Gillette cartridge and the whole build of it. This has like a pivoting head, which means it is going to move comfortably on the contours of your face without any hassle. If you are new to my channel, this is nothing new that I'm using this kind of razor for my face, because my face has already been through a lot and those stinky razors don't really work for my face. You can use oil and shave your face using the stinky razor, because I've seen many YouTubers do that. I just dampen this, clean it in the water, and go back for a clean shave. I've already explained why I don't do waxing, because waxing pulls your skin, and the elasticity of your skin is tempered and it starts to sag your skin, and nobody wants sagging. I want to maintain my skin, at least now that I know that it can cause sagging and nobody wants sagging. Once I'm done shaving, I'm going to get ready with my RPL device. It's time to use the device on my face, and it's going to hardly take any time. The window of the device is big. What is a window? I'll just get onto it. The window of the Tria Beauty laser device is small. If you don't know what that means, check the video where I have lasered my face. Okay, we are right back over here, and I have my RPL device. It looks like this. I know this the whole built up looks like the infamous Philips Lumia Prestige, that line, and I have never purchased that because it was too pricey for me. 36,000 the original price, and if you're going to pay like customs duty, it is going to come around 79 to 80,000, and apparently Amazon is selling it for 79,000, and I just paid 30,000 for this. This is the Sensica Sensilight Pro. This is the window I use for my legs, and I hardly have any growth on my legs now, and I'm going to start like after twice a week of the session on my legs. There's hardly any hair growth. So I'm going to take out this window. I use this window otherwise on my face, but today for your sakes I'm going to use this one. This is the facial attachment. It has got some filter on it, so I'm going to use this. Here we have the power button, power on. There's a fan here running to cool off the machine, and we have this button right here. This button is to detect what level of intensity is best suited. So you keep it on your skin like this and press this button, and it has selected a level 5. Usually I use a level 5 and a level 6. So let's get started. After continuous 3 zaps, it goes on automatic mode, so I'm hardly pressing any button, if you can see. Sensica has a rectangular shaped window, and the Tria Beauty has a round shaped small window, so it is quite a problem. Problem as in it is time consuming. Was I teased in school because I had facial hair? Yes, I was teased in school. It was like, you're growing a beard, what's wrong with you? PCOS when I was in school was not openly spoken about. Now everybody is coming out with their testimony about their whole experience with PCOS and how they are dealing with it, maintaining a certain diet, visiting a medic physician to help with the condition. And teasing in school was not to an extreme point. It was quite healthy, healthy in the sense it was not too harsh the way I would exaggerate it in my head. Oh, this is bad, you're teasing me. I could have been bullied if I was in some other place, in some other school or anything. My school was not that bad. Even my college experience, not that bad to say that I have had any experience or any extreme bullying of this sort. It was okay. It was like, check out, she's got a beard. Ever since I started using the Tria Beauty and the Sensica, my growth has reduced. I would get whiskers over here, literal whiskers. There were like 6 hairs bumping out of each end of the lip, and the lower chin area was like super thick. Now it has reduced quite a bit. I never had professional laser done because I have heard of side effects and I didn't want any side effect on my skin. If the hairs are still going to grow, what is the point of having a laser and RPL device in your house? The point is, it is going to give you long-term hair-free results. Hair will grow slow. The point of these two devices is that it's going to slow down the hair growth. So instead of having shaving and waxing sessions every time, you are going to limit those sessions. That's the whole point of having those devices. And I don't have to use the pre-lock cream when I'm using this. This just feels like warm heat that is emanated on your skin and doesn't feel that painful. Whereas the Tria Beauty, it is literally zapping away the hairs in your root, and you can feel the excruciating pain on each hair. That's all. I'm done. I did my full face, and anytime soon I should be hair free. It is slight redness on my face. Like I said, I treat my face with a face pack or a face mask, and I am good to go. There's no issues as such. The redness subsides pretty soon. Actually, I'm about to move out today, and that's why I had it done on a Saturday. Usually my sessions are only on a Sunday, and since I'm going out and I need to look prim and proper, I don't want any hair speaking out, I'm doing it today. 1 or 2 day difference won't do you harm. It won't alter the pattern of anything, the hair growth cycle, as these people claim. I found these devices a safe bet. Like I said, FDA approved, clinically proven and safe on your skin. I never wanted to have it professionally done. You're going to spend just lakhs and lakhs of rupees, and as long as you have blood flowing in your veins and you are detected with the condition of PCOS, you will have hairs coming back even if you have a laser treatment. So having a device in your home is better than going to a professional clinic and getting it done, because your hairs are going to grow and you're going to go back in that cycle of spending lakhs and lakhs of rupees. If you want to get out of that cycle, try to invest in these devices, or else you can try waxing. That is like a last option. But if you can invest in such devices, you can do your research, see what best fits your budget, and you can invest in such devices. That's all for this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't fail, please don't fail. Support my channel and hit the subscribe and notification bell to get updates about the new video. Until then, bye.